Hey guys, so I fixed the truck for now. So right now I'm leaving for work. Past few days have been extremely hot, and obviously it's testing the cooling system in the truck. So yesterday it was like literally over 100, and I wasn't able to replace the radiator, so I just flushed it the best that I could, put new coolant in, have a new fan shroud. Have a new fan shroud, and then replace both of the hoses, and it's helping a little bit. It's not getting as hot as fast, but yesterday it still wanted to overheat. It just took longer, so at least it's not leaking, so I guess that's a plus, because then I can at least drive it. So fixed that the other day, and next thing is to probably put a radio in this thing, because right now I just have my little speaker. Since putting the radiator in, or since redoing the radiator, I should say, I've driven it 200 miles so far. I've been daily driving it, literally everywhere, and it's doing pretty good so far. So, yeah, that's a little update video. Hopefully I'll be able to film more stuff, like, I don't know, putting the radio in or something. So, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.